Hi, I'm Mohan Priya and my teammate is Devi Ishwar. We are Team ArthaNetra. I'll walk you through the vision and highlights of ArthaNetra and Devi will follow with a live demo so you can see it in action. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, you might be wondering what ArthaNetra is. In Sanskrit, Artha means finance and Netra means vision. So ArthaNetra literally translates to AI vision for finance. Before we get into what ArthaNetra actually does, let's look at some of the pain points. In today's financial world, data is everywhere, but insight is rare. Let's look at some of the citations. McKinsey 2022 report states that up to 60% of finance effort is wasted on manual document review and data entry, time that could be used for strategy, forecasting, or risk analysis. And EY's Global Risk Survey 2023 found that 70% of risk incidents arise from information hidden in unstructured data. Now that you have heard the struggle, it's time to burn some stress off. Introducing the solution ArthaNetra. ArthaNetra is an AI investigator that ingests messy financial documents, extracts key entities, maps their relationships, unveils hidden patterns, and flag risks with source citations that helps the teams to see beyond the numbers. ArthaNetra transforms scattered financial documents into a connected, explainable network of insights by combining Landing AI ADE for structured extraction, Anthropic Claude for narrative reasoning, Neo4j for graph intelligence, VV8 for semantic search, and Sigma.js for interactive visualization. Here's the tech stack of ArthaNetra. Now Devi will continue with the demo.
Hello, I'm Devi here. Let me quickly walk you through the interface. On the left, we have our chat sessions where you can create new conversations or revisit old ones. The middle panel is our AI chatbot where you can ask questions and get answers with citations. On the right is the document explorer with 5 key tabs. Knowledge graph, it's an interactive visualization of entities and their relationships. Extracted entities, the structured data pulled from the document, for example, companies, matrices, dates, etc. Risk analysis, AI detected anomalies, compliance gaps, and financial red flags. Original PDF, the source document for reference. Extracted markdown, clean, past version of the document text by Landing AI Agentic Document Extraction API. Now, I have a Salesforce Q2 financial year 26 earnings release, a critical document for investors and analysts. It contains 10.2 billion in revenue, growing 10% year over year. Their AI products hit 1.2 billion in revenue, up 120%. 20 billion added to share buybacks, now 50 billion total. These reports are dense, technical, and time critical. Let's see how ArthaNethra handles it. Let me create a new chat, upload a real financial document. While the document process, here is what's happening under the hood. Stage 1, Intelligent Data Extraction. Landing AI ADE Pass and Extract API converts the PDF to structured markdown and helps in extracting tables, financial matrices, and key figures. This gives us 99% accuracy. Knowledge graph construction, identifying entities, companies, executives, financial matrices, dates, etc. Building relationships, storing in Neo4j for complex graph queries. Stage 3, semantic indexing, chunking the text with context overlap, generating embeddings with sentence transformers, storing in VV8 for semantic search. Risk, risk detection, which is stage 4, rule-based checks using threshold violation, data anomalies, LLM-based analysis using Claude, identifies compliance gaps, inconsistencies. This hybrid approach catches both obvious and subtle risks. Perfect. Processing completed. You can add existing documents for cross-document analysis from here. Let's explore the insights in Document Explorer. The knowledge graph is generated where you can expand, explore the entities and their relationships. You can see different entities with different key value pairs extracted by ADE APIs. Let's see Risk Analysis tab. This is powerful. Our system detected 10 risks automatically. Each risk included severity, description, recommendations, affected entities, and confidence score. Now for the magic, let's ask some complex question. Here's the question. What was the Salesforce total revenue for Q2 financial year 26 and how does it compare to the previous year? Now you might be wondering what's happening while it's thinking. Our chatbot is not just an LLM. It uses tool augmented reasoning, semantic search through VV8, find relevant chunks, graph queries through Neo4j, connect related entities, and Claude Sonnet synthesizes the answer. Now you can see the response. Salesforce has reported total revenue of 10.2 billion, 10% year over year growth, and 9% constant currency compared to financial year 25. Notice the clickable citations linking to the exact source pages and the knowledge graph showing 5 connected entities. And you can see Salesforce has reported financial year 26 total revenue and financial year 26 subscription and support revenue for the revenue growth rate. I have also attached few screenshots of question and answers with cross document analysis. Please do check out my GitHub repo.
Here is our path to pilot within 90 days. Our phase 1 of development is completed and we'll be focusing on phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4 of developments for the next few months. That's ArthaNetra for you, transforming days of manual analysis into seconds of AI-powered insights. Every answer is explainable, every insight is cited, and every connection is visualized. Thank you.